welcome back to the channel.
I'm too classy for this world. Forever I'm that girl. Need you diamonds and pearl. Oh baby, I'm too classy to be touched. I pick them all in dust. I've sent you.
Testing. Is this thing on? Hold up. Today, first of all, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, pretty much, I'm gonna be taking y'all with me on a 2-mile run. As of lately, one of my best friends, I'll insert a picture here, Alana, she just completed a marathon. And I've been able to see like her whole journey of her training herself to work her way up to this marathon. And honestly, it inspired me so much to like incorporate running into my routine and to maybe one day even run my own marathon. But I thought about running a half marathon, so I looked up marathons happening in Texas. So today is day 1 of me starting training. Now, really quick, for those of you who don't know, I was in the Army for 9.5 years, and running a 2-mile was very, like, that's nothing. Honestly, it's nothing. Was nothing for me back then, but now it's something. Now it's something because you guys know I tore my ACL, tore my meniscus, and just running just hasn't been something that I am like super comfortable doing, but I feel like it'd be a great way for me to like it'll help me out tremendously. I feel like incorporating running some way, shape, or form, and not just like walking on this or doing the stairmaster and things like that. So I've always like enjoyed running. I've been really wanting to get into it. I'm excited to get back into being a running girly. So I'm going to stretch, warm up and stuff, and then we're going to hit the road. So just getting started. I did legs yesterday. I actually got a new trainer. I didn't tell y'all this. But he killed me yesterday, and my legs are on fire, you guys. They're on fire! But I'm not gonna let it stop me, y'all. We gotta do 2 miles today. 2 miles, y'all. I'm gonna check back in after the first mile. I'm not even half a mile in, and I'm dying because 1, it's hot. 2, there's so much lactic acid built up in my motherfucking legs, y'all, that it hurts so bad. But I'm about to start back running. I'll be back when I'm 1 mile in. 1 mile in. Got a mile to go. I'm gonna push. I'm gonna try not to stop. If I come back and record, that means I stopped. Alright, so I'm about to try to keep going. Without stopping. Y'all wish me luck. I stopped. Come on. When I tell y'all, I'm tired. I'm tired. I think I was so tired because I had a very intense leg day, like I was saying earlier, and my legs are very sore, and it was very hard to pick them up. I did loosen up a little bit, maybe after like a mile. I was able to like stride out a little bit, but 26 minutes for 2 miles, we gotta get that down. Like when I was in the Army, my 2-mile run was like between 15 and like 16:30, I think. Yeah, something like that. So I got work to do. But thank y'all for coming with me on this run. First of many. But shout out to everyone who is here supporting me throughout this journey, and I'll see you guys. So today is November 11th. It is Veterans Day, so happy Veterans Day to me and to everyone who is currently in, who is out, reserve, all that. I just came from the gym. Wait, let me show y'all my shorts that I have on just to like be festive for Veterans Day. Hold on. Okay, these are the shorts that I have on. I have on some US Army reworked shorts. So yes, I just got back from the gym and I haven't washed my hair in like 3 weeks. Like deep wash. I typically never ever do this, but there's been a lot going on lately. So I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm thinking about putting a new color in. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I'm not gonna make a video showing that process because I already made a video doing that. I'm just gonna be choosing a different color, but I will link that video in the description so you can go check that out. That's what's going on today, so buckle up.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is digital Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well.
And this is it. I'll show y'all how I go to sleep. I'm gonna go eat really quick and then I'm going to do my nighttime skin routine, so I'll be back.
Like a glance from the past, dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you're the prince and I'm oh, fairy tales, I'm not used to. Oh, got me questioning what it's done. You used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You study more and with my heart. You think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, love. And we know you can tell me how. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold you. Take time, gotta trust who I let you true. Got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You study more and with my heart. You think you ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
I'm looking like a glazed donut. My skincare is all done and I'm about to get in bed, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It is 7:50, y'all. 7:50 a.m. on a Sunday morning. Now, I think the time going back has something to do with why I've been waking up so early. I'm not mad about it, honestly. I've been getting a lot of rest. I've been going to sleep early. It actually feels refreshing, but it is Sunday. Happy Sunday. Comment how your weekend has been, what you did, all of that. I am about to brush my teeth, make some breakfast, and get the day started. But last night, y'all, I literally left my bathroom a freaking mess. So we're gonna tidy it up really quick. So let's tidy it up.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I own a watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you.
Y'all, how cool is this pot? It came with like 4 different size of these with 2 handles, and you can literally, these are interchangeable. You just clip it, bam, and then you can take it off. So cool. I'm gonna link them. They're in my storefront, but so convenient and saves a lot of storage space. So gonna be using this today. I'm just gonna make some eggs, bacon, and I'm gonna make some pancakes as well. So let's get it.
Right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says, come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.
I didn't make any pancakes because I forgot. So we're just gonna have eggs. I had some vegan cheese, some spinach. Let me show y'all the veggie bacon that I got. Hold on. It's the Morning Star Farm veggie bacon strips. They're so flavorful. It's like plant-based, so crunchy. And it only took me like 2 minutes to make. It cooks really fast, and 10 out of 10 recommend. I burnt it a little bit, but it's okay. It's still good. Y'all remember when I told y'all that I was in school? Well, today I was submitting my last 2 finals. So I'm done with those classes, but I have like a 2-week break, and then we're back at it. Hope you guys love the new color. Super cute. I've been really tired of my hair. I have been wearing it in a bun for the last 3 weeks, like I stated earlier, and I feel like this is what I needed in order to like let my hair back down. I was over it. So this is the new color. Let me know what you guys think. I was also dog sitting this weekend. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hello. Paw? Yes. Good boy. You want a treat? Oh. You want a treat? What? Let me get this man a treat. You want a treat? I wish you guys could see this. Hold on, let me move the camera. Sit. Sit. Paw. Gentle. I've been dog sitting all weekend and it's been really fun. It's been really interesting having him here with my two cats, to say the least. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I can't wait to see you guys on the next one.